So hi everyone, my name is Kazim Tolokpe. So I'm going to be teaching you how to trade with 100 USD balance and how to scale it, and how to make profit just by compounding it. So I'm going to be doing a video on that very soon by the first of next month. So it's not really like I'm going to be doing it first, second, third, and all of that. So it's going to be a 30 days trading challenge. It's not by force that you think that, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing it first, second, third. You know what I'm saying? So I might do it on the first, I might do this the third day, the second day on the maybe third. You get, so you understand. So I'll be posting it as I'm doing that. And I just want to show you that yes, you too can make it. Yeah, you can start with $100. I'll be showing you how to use $100, like I've said before. We're starting with that, and yeah, I want you to know that you can make it too. So before that, the only broker I would recommend it is Exness, because even me too, I have tried a lot of broker and I couldn't even understand it. I couldn't even navigate it. So I've been trading for over 2 months. Yes, 2 months. I've learned a lot from YouTube video and all of that. I've brought the strategies, tested them, and disciplined myself, and I've seen a lot of improvement. So I told myself, with all what I've learned, I'm going to gather it and um, challenge myself using a demo account, not a real account. A demo account, firstly, for 2 months. So I'm going to first start. For 2 months, I'm going to start with the what 100 USD demo balance, and my target is that within 30 days of trading, I should have the whole balance, like compounding and all of that, the total balance, the total whatever it is. I should have over $10,000 in balance and all of that, the total profit made, compounding it to gain profit. So make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe and like my video, please subscribe and like it. So I'll be showing you now how to create your Exness account and how to create a demo account. So later I will make a video of how to just go about the trading website and all of that, how to navigate through, how to place trade and all of that before I go into the video challenge. All right, let's go there. So right here, I will drop this link in my description. You tap on the link and then to take you here, and here you come to register. You click on register, then just for security purpose and all of that, let's verify this. So the country where I'm doing this from is from Nigeria, so I'll put my country. I'll put my email because I'm not using it. Sorry, I'm not using, what I mean by I'm not using it is that I'm not using it for this, like I will delete it back. And so make sure you put a strong password. All right, you know how to do that. So leave this. I declare I'm not. Yeah, that's if you're not. Then you click register. From here I'll block this. So that's if you want to get started immediately, you can come here. That's for later. We'll still go onto that later on. So now let's go to demo. I'm going to choose demo, and here, right, yeah, save. And yeah, you come here, see this place, tap on it, and go to personal, and to take you to this area. Here, you can create a demo trading account. Now you have this for real, and you have this for the demo. So now let's create a demo account. Later on, you want to start trading with a real account, you can come here and complete your profile, and that will require you to bring your whatever means of verification, whether it's ID card, NIN, or whatever it is. For those that are in Nigeria, I don't know what it is for outside country, so hope you are following. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. So yeah, we're going to choose standard because this is what we're going to be using. We're going to be choosing this, but normally it's supposed to be a $10. I don't know why it's having 50 USD here. Okay, so we're going to choose this, and we're going to come here, continue. So yeah, it's choosing this, so I'm going to come choose demo. So make sure it's USD, United States dollars, and let's make the balance for now, just to cheat you, to be $100,000, and you can add any name you want to add, whatever you want to put. So let's say the leverage is you know, the capacity, like what you want to trade. For example, let's assume you're using you're having $100 USD balance, and you want to place more trade. You don't want to be limited, so you can come and put this. The higher the leverage, the more you can trade. So I'll be using 100. I'm using MT5, but normally we're using Exness. So still put the same password, so something you can remember. And you create your account. You don't need to save. So now we're going to come and trade. So let's use the Exness terminal. As a beginner, I will recommend using the Exness terminal because this one is more reliable. Alright, so use this. To take a little time to load. So now, see, as you see, today is what? Today is 11. Sorry, today is 30th of November. That's the last day of November, 2026. So I'll be using the 5-minute strategy. Sorry, the 5-minute time frame. I'll be using BTC, Bitcoin against dollar. So yeah. So in the next video, I will show you how to navigate through this and place trades and all of that. So I hope you can register now, and yeah, so make sure you click the link in my description and register. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next.